Okay, hello everyone. So today now let's look at our question 47. So 47 is very similar to our question 46. It's very similar. So we can also use the table method to help us analyze. So for example, if we have these two tables. So number of candies is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 is 14. And we need to consider how many ways to eat. So for 1, we can only choose odd number, right? This one is very important. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, blah, 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 like that. And so for 1, how many choice? We have only 1 because 1 day 1, right? So 1 choice. And for 2, how many choice? It can only be 1 plus 1. Can it be 0? Sorry, can it only be 2? No, because we need to choose odd numbers. And about 3 is how many choice? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 choice and what? 3. Right? So actually we have 2 choice. And for number of 4, so how many choice? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1. Actually we have 3 choice. And you have listed all the things. About 5, we have 5 choice. And can you find out any pattern? So these 2, actually we can cut 1 and the remaining part is 2. So for 2, we still have 1 method. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And for 4, if we have 1 or 3 each, and the remaining part, how many choice? We have 2 and 3. So 1 plus 2, how many choice? 3 choice. And about 5, we can also use the same method to eat 1 and 2. So it should be 2 plus 3. And after that, this one is a Fibonacci sequence. And you can list all the things. And 8 and 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. After that, you list all things. You find the number of candies is 377. So the answer is 377. And for this kind of question, you need to use the table method to help you analyze and list all the method or how many ways we can choose to eat these candies. And remember, this one is a Fibonacci sequence, and you can calculate the first number and the second number plus together will become the third number.